Once you're happy with your overall Shopify website design, and you've taken care of these important settings, it's time to publish your store. Let's come up here to the X in the top right corner and click Out. Then I'll go home. And here in the top right, you can see the option to make your store visible to anyone. I'll click Unlock Store. Now, if you get to this page and the toggle is grayed out, this banner will let you know that you still need to add your store address. I'll click here to do that quickly. Once you update that, if you still needed to, click the X, and back on the password protection page, the toggle is now open. And I'll just go ahead and toggle that off, and then save. And now our online store is open to everyone. If you haven't been following along, make sure to use the special offer link in the description so that you get your first 3 months on Shopify for only $1 each month. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like so that it gets shown to others just like you.